What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Crystal, aka Challenge Princess TV. So guys, I want you guys to hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and share the videos if you can. I'll be really greatly appreciated. Follow me on all social medias, TikTok, Gmail, and what else? Instagram. I'll have all those names in the description down below. So guys, currently it is 11:12 right now. I woke up really sore. I've been working out. My legs are like they feel like jelly, I should say. Like when I walk, it really hurts. Currently I'm at the car wash right now. So I wanted to bring you along with me today to do a little vlog or something, you know. So yeah, so guys, I've been wanting to let you guys know. I wanted to see what you guys to see if you guys like the videos I have been posting lately. I know that I haven't been doing certain videos that you guys asked me to do. That's for a reason. Also, I wanted to come on here and I'm sorry guys, I'm driving, so I don't want to hit anything. I wanted to come on here and I wanted to tell you guys, if you guys have anything like negative to say, just don't say it at all. I really appreciate it because I have like one subscriber that does that. Well, he hasn't been doing it lately, but you could tell I'm really tired. Like I have bags under my eyes. I haven't been really sleeping like that because my husband's been working non-stop. Yeah guys, so if you guys have any like negative comments, just keep them to yourself please, because I really don't need the negativity right now. I just want to be positive. I want my YouTube channel to grow. That's why I'm telling you guys to share the videos. If you guys recommend my videos to anybody, just do it. So guys, I'm currently at the car wash. I want you to see this line before. Look at this line, guys. The line is like pretty long. It's like every time I come here, the line is like super long, but they're doing some construction on the building. But these are all the cars that's in front of me. So it's like really hot too. I'm like really hot. Guys, I wanted to see if you guys would how you say it. I wanted to do an intro, guys, for my YouTube channel. I want to see if you guys will think that would be, what do you guys think about that? Because I'm thinking about doing an intro. I think I'm the only YouTube channel that doesn't have an intro right now, and I want to do an intro. Oh my god, it's so hot. I'm sorry guys, I can't even talk right now. It's like really hot. So once I hit the car wash, like the actual car wash, I'll pick you guys back up because I'm still far from the car wash. Yeah guys, I'm gonna hit you back when I get to. I'm still currently waiting in line. Like this line is ridiculously long, so I'll pick you guys back up as soon as I'm in the car wash right now. Sorry it took so long, but this is what it looks like. It smells so good in here, guys. I love the smell of the soap and oh my god. So after this, I have to go to Walmart real quick because I have to go pick up something. And then I'm heading home to hopefully do another challenge with my kid, because he's been saying he's been wanting to do one, so the vacuum because I gotta vacuum my car up. And so I'll catch you in a little bit. I'm about to vacuum real quick. Hold on. Like really short. The end of the vlog. I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you guys so much. Please keep supporting me. You guys, the people that are viewing my channel, please give my channel a chance. Please subscribe to us because it's just gonna get better from here. Yeah, I love you guys, and follow me on all social medias, and I love you guys again, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.